The cabin air filter in your 2018 to 2023 Nissan Kicks is essential for clean air inside your car. It's located behind the passenger side glove box. The filter traps dust, pollen, mold, and other contaminants from entering your vehicle's HVAC system. Replacing it regularly, every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, is crucial to maintain air quality, reduce allergens, and ensure efficient climate control. Warning signs you need a new filter include musty odors, reduced airflow, and poor AC heating performance. Ensure the vehicle is off and parked. Open the glove box fully, then depress the glove box stops to release it from its hinges. Lower the glove box gently. Behind it, you'll find the rectangular filter housing cover. Remove the filter housing cover, which is held by clips or screws. Pull out the old filter, noting the airflow arrow direction for proper reinstallation. Insert the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow matches the original orientation. Secure the filter housing cover, then reattach the glove box to its hinges. Test by turning on the AC or fan to ensure proper airflow and performance. This straightforward replacement typically takes 10 to 15 minutes and saves you money compared to professional servicing.